Hair extension can be a game changer, transforming your look and boosting your confidence. However, to make the most of this beauty investment, it is essential to be aware of the do's and don'ts that comes with hair extension. Avoiding common mistakes can ensure that your hair extension look natural, last longer, and do not harm your natural hair. Hi guys, Justine is back, and today let's discuss about hair extension do's and don'ts. First, let's talk about do's. Consulting a professional. Seek guidance from a professional stylist who specializes in hair extension. They can help you choose the right type, color, length of extension that best suits your hair and lifestyle. Invest in quality. Always seek high quality, 100% human hair extension. While they may be more expensive, they look and feel more natural and last longer. Proper installations. Ensure that your extensions are properly installed. Incorrect application can lead to discomfort, damage, and an unnatural appearance. Regular maintenance. Follow a strict maintenance routine, which includes regular washing, conditioning, and brushing. Use product recommended by your stylist. Protect your hair. Use heat protectants when styling with hot tools, and be gentle when brushing and detangling to prevent breakage. Moving on to list of don'ts. DIY installations. Avoid self-installations of hair extensions, as it often leads to uneven and unnatural results. Seek a professional help. Sleeping with wet hair. Sleeping with wet hair extension can cause tangling and matting. Ensure your hair is completely dry before bedtime. Skipping consultations. Don't skip regular checks-up with your stylist. They can detect any issue early and make necessary adjustments to your extensions. Tight hairstyle. Avoid hairstyle that put excessive tension on the extension or your natural hair, as this can lead to breakage and discomfort. By adhering to these do's and don'ts, you can enjoy the benefits of hair extension while keeping your natural hair healthy. Proper care and professional guidance ensure that your extension enhances your beauty without causing any harm. If you find this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justine, and I will be back for more videos on KI Factory Best Film Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.